Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Buick Regal Premium 1, stock number Z7769XX. 29,000 miles on this Regal, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crystal red in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Regal is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and a removable cargo net is perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premium 1 has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box, all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Regal has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 259 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balanced power and fuel economy, along with those 259 horses. EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.